In this video, I will be showing you how to create a 4-photo collage in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by going to the search bar and typing in 4-photo collage. As the results load, I'll scroll through the various templates to find a design that works for my project. I really like this minimalist fashion layout, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template. Now that I'm in the editor, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for Fashion. I'll switch to the Photos category to find high-quality images. I'll drag my first photo into the frame on the left. To keep the style consistent, I'll use the magic recommendations to find similar images. I'll continue dragging photos into the placeholders, double-clicking them whenever I need to adjust the crop or center the subject. Once all the photos are in place, I'll click on the text at the bottom to edit it. I'm going to type in fashion and then resize the box to make sure it's perfectly centered. Next, I'll click on the background and open the color palette. I'll choose a neutral tone from the photo colors to give the design a cohesive look. Finally, I'll select the text and change its color to a darker shade so it's easy to read. And just like that, I have a beautiful, professional photo collage ready to go.